Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox the Tuchware Smart Doorbell. As you can see, first we are getting a wall stick for attaching the doorbell to the wall for better grip, then we get one USB cable to charge the bell. First user manual for features and how to set up the doorbell, so this is the device itself. This is a speaker that we can plug into any socket in the house, so when the bell rings, we will get to know. So now we come to the main device, Tuchware SH100 Smart Doorbell. As you can see, there are cameras to see who's ringing the bell outside and a button to ring the bell. It comes with infrared light for a better view at night also. To set up the smart doorbell, you have to download the Smart Life app from the Google Play Store or Apple Store. Then sign up in the app. After opening the app, click on the plus sign in the top right corner. Click on the Add Device. Now, if you are nearby and Bluetooth is off, enable it from the settings. Now connect with the home Wi-Fi. Now press and hold the bell button till the bell rings and the blue light indicates. As you can see, the app has found the device. Now click on the device to add it. Now, add the Wi-Fi password. Now click the Add button. Wait for a while till the device connects. Now, as you can see, your device is added.